Hello, my food lovers. How una dey today? I want to make koki. How my grandma, me, my great grandma, me, and my mommy they show me as I dey grow up saying na so they make koki. Now they ever chop koki with banana, cocoa, ripe plantains, etc. Just name it. So now my koki that for 1,000 rubber and select and move that small stone. I go just suck her inside water. Now I don't put her inside water. I'll leave her inside water so about 30 minutes or even 1 hour. Go me market, go buy Martin and come back before I wash her. So now that the try for sure. So I just put her inside water, inside the tea, just start come on now. So I'll just keep her inside water, so go come back before wash her. So now I leave that one, I don't cut them. I don't cut 4 beta, leave them well, tie 4 beta bundle. So would they ever make while cooking inside leaf? Because some people they tie cookies inside paper, waiting go no each other kind cookie. So now I will use pepper, onion, maggi and salt. I put small maggi then with cocoa leaf. Now my cocoa leaf that we use a red cocoa leaf. Red cocoa leaf. Then my oil that I will use now 1.5 liter red oil. So now my cocoa that after about 30 minutes and I'm cocoa that you see how it already move all the thing now, so I'll just drain now. So you'll see the process. Now I go wash my cookie. So now in that already all the thing already come out for the now only for drain now. So see the process. I'll find my shifter, I'll drain now. So now in that, as you feel see, I'll repeat the very process again about 4 or 5 times. Then I'll put now clean water. Then I'll repeat this very process so that me all thing clean, where me all the dirty come out. As you feel see, yes, my people, cookie no hard for wash and just do this style where I run show and so. So now as you feel see, I'll put now clean water for inside. Now my cookie that already clean. At this moment now I'll just go inside with my pepper and onion. Now in that I can go blend and now. So now my fireside that I already put down for warm my leaf. Oh, I like village, the one I already village life, and that's what do. I don't want my leaf fine. Then find some hand wrap, clean one, wipe them, use water, wipe the inside, find some of my 4 beta leaf, then I raw warmer. So that is my mother and my remade that it make me cocoa leaf. That's what they make cocoa leaf for a village show. So as you feel see, my remade that, so it be the assist me too. It tell me say, hey chef, if you there for house, what I get for the cook, I get for just the assist. So now cocoa leaf that already make finish. So as you feel see now, so the cocoa leaf they will just wash and you know the scrub the cocoa leaf. See as I the wash and you put it inside water, you just make and you know the scrub and then you move and put it inside shift and me drain. So now in that as you feel see, so now my oil that for fire I put me hot, then my water that I'll use and mix the cookie. Now my cookie that already grind and calm, I go mix and fine. Use the kind of way they turn fufu, you mix your cookie. So now me that they mix my cookie, mix your cookie very well. Now I don't mix, I will mix and so you go there. Now they go in with my salt, then I'll add now small maggi for inside. As you feel see now my maggi that they put mix and well. Now add your cocoa leaf. The put cocoa leaf back and put oil, mix and well. At this moment when you mix and all tea, don't mix and fine. That's what they do cookie for village show. Yeah, that's what they do cookie for village. Now that oil I don't put on fire, I don't hot fine or turn and half for inside. When the oil hot fine, you turn and so you will make they say na foam now. Then you mix and well. Why I put oil, I put my cocoa leaf for put oil and I say me that oil burn that cocoa leaf. Cocoa leaf the scratch, so I know it take time for done. So as you feel see now, you see how my cookie done the beer, I'll mix and well. That go in now with that my hot water. That water don't really bubble self. Then I'll just go in now with my hot water. I will not put on fire as I show now. At this moment now, I mean that I mix some. I will taste if anything not correct or salt. I will add and so now in that I already test. If it test and try, I will just test that all things already correct now. So at the time now, I already wipe my leaves them. As you feel see, I did do now where they do and for village. Now how they do and for village. Now in that already time I one bundle. So you'll find some deep bowl or even mandarin where you the carrot inside spoon put inside before put inside the leaf. So now in that the time. So see how they tie cooking. I go see make another video only have for tie cookie. See how they tie cookie, see and when I mean that they tie cookie. So now so my grandma, my great grandma, they will show me and my mommy say na so they tie cookie. You see no. So you will see only the style where they make and so they tie cookie. Voilà, na in that. Oh, I miss village life when they make us all the chop of sweet yam, banana, that was yellow yam from Batibo, or cocoa. See, all the sweet, the ripe plantains too. So you wrap that here, there you tie them. So if you see, I will type 4 beta bond to cover and me just done. I cook my cookie around 2 hours. Now my cookie that already done. I cook my cookie for fireside around 2 hours before it done well. Now it already done well. See one bond the female. I don't divide the whole bond for the whole. I say I bond big. Then see cookie that color for cookie. Oh, is giving my people. Now village like that we chop cookie no red oil no. We put red oil for corner put salt. Then you did take banana, chop of red oil, then take koki, rub am inside small. Day. Oh my God, oh Jesus. So now my plate that so my people see koki, see color for cooking. So you get for be so nice. Not that people they make at the white liver make for dog. For the people call live for koki for a village. And so my grandma show me, my great grandma show me, and my mommy as I start growing, and so it, and that's the perfect way to cook koki. Yes, some people they cook koki the white liver make for dog. No leave, no nothing.